Spoiler alert. What's up everybody, I'm Steve and you're watching F33. Now if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss when a new video drops. Now I've spent a long time trying to find the right spoiler for my F33 and I started looking at companies like RW Carbon and Auto Technic, and I'll be honest, there's not a lot of choice when looking for a spoiler for an F33. If you have an F32 or an F80 or an F36, the sky's the limit on your choices. But for an F33, there's really only one choice, and that's the CS style. Now, I'm not complaining because I like the CS style. However, I really wish that there were more choices. You know, if you wanted something more aggressive or less aggressive, well, you get the CS style. I've been really happy with the carbon fiber from RW Carbon and Auto Technic that I've already put on my car, but I wanted to try out a different manufacturer to see how theirs would stack up to the more expensive competition. So I started looking at Suvneer. Now, Suvneer has had a lot of great reviews from other YouTubers, so that's why I really wanted to check them out. Now, the Suvneer CS style spoiler comes in at only 160 bucks and has free shipping, which was less than half the price of the competition and makes it extremely attractive since carbon fiber is not cheap. So what are the downsides when choosing Suvneer over some of the other brands? Well, I'll be honest, I couldn't find anything. It was extremely well packaged, the weave was amazing. They even included 3M tape, which was pretty awesome and a nice touch. I did some test fitting and found that the fitment was really good. It was excellent. It followed the trunk lines and everything. And to be honest, I think that this was money well spent. I'm glad I didn't go with the more expensive option because I really don't know what I would have gotten. Now, I don't have another one to compare it with, so again, I have to be honest, I don't know what theirs would look like, but from what I see from this Suvneer spoiler, I couldn't ask for anything else. All right, so let's head over and get this thing mounted. Now, the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is apply the mounting tape to the spoiler, and you're want to go in as many full strips as possible because that's going to make removing the tape when you're mounting a whole lot easier. Next, we're gonna want to align the spoiler and put painter's tape as markings to where the spoiler is gonna be. This is something that you may not have to do on an F32, but on an F33, the trunk lines extend down closer to the tail lights, which makes it a whole lot more difficult to align the spoiler correctly. Next, you're gonna wanna clean the surface extremely well. I like to use 70% isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber to get this done. Now that you've got it all marked out and clean, you're gonna wanna start exposing the tape on both sides of the spoiler. Then put it in place, and now gently start removing the tape while pressing down on the spoiler as you go. You're gonna wanna hold down the spoiler for about 20 seconds in each spot so that the adhesive can take place. Now that you've got the spoiler mounted, you're gonna wanna remove the masking tape, stand back, and enjoy. Now I gotta say, this thing looks absolutely amazing and totally transforms the way the car looks, especially from the rear end. I'm really tempted to try out the carbon fiber shark fin, but I'm kind of worried that it might be too much carbon fiber in a small area. Normally the shark fin is up on the roof, but in the F33, it's on the trunk. And so between that and the spoiler, it might be too much. But I want you to comment down below and tell me what you think. Do you think that it would be too much carbon fiber on the trunk to also do the shark fin? Now, as always, I put links in the description to all the products used in this video today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, smash it if that's what you're into, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless.